Hi guys, welcome to my channel Praga Art. In this video, I shout out to Mr. Kill Rochelle, and I want to say thank you to all my fans that's always watching my videos. Okay, see to the video. In this videos, I collect many 3D painting art. It's always painting by our idol. He is always painting with a charcoal. He painting like a bridge, and after he paint and add more color to make like real, and so amazing. After under the bridge, he will add the watercolors. It's very nice. He's very nice artistic. You can see many animals through on this road, and they are going another side. Okay, next the videos, he painting another place and different art with his skill. His skill so amazing. He use only charcoal and make the color. He use a chalk, color of chalk. It's very nice. Make more waters. He also have many ideas to make the 3Ds, and he painting so fast, but very nice, amazing art. And he play like the playground in the 3D art box. The dog's coming. Next videos is painting like cycle and make many cycle first, and next he will add painting. He add the black color, the black colors, and after he make a shadow, and he painting like real. It's very nice colors. It's very good. Okay, another place, another painting, another art. He painting in his home. What he painting now? It is tiger. Add orange colors and make the face of tiger. Okay, you can see it. It's very nice detail. The cat is come to meet the tiger. The cat want to fight with tiger. Oh, he painting a small flowers on the road. Okay. Now he's painting another art like the flowers. After he add the colors, we can see it. It is a lotus flowers. It's very cute. The flower on the road. Crow up on the road. Amazing. Lotus flowers. But have a cute butterfly. And the scooter coming. Okay, next the video, see painting another art in his house. He's nice, artistic, like a cute girl. Wow, very nice. Okay, it's already. And next 3D art painting in his home. Oh wow. Oh. Okay, in this video it's finished. Thank you to watch this video. See you again.